Are you considering migrating to the cloud? Kickstart your journey with Migration Evaluator to get a data-driven business case and migration plan. Migration Evaluator is a complimentary AWS service that provides insights to accelerate decision-making for migration to the cloud. As part of this service, an AWS Solutions Architect helps you install a single agentless collector to gather data from your on-premises network. The Solutions Architect will then use this data to build a directional business case containing customized future state AWS cost models. Next, use this collected data to get a bird's-eye view of your environment using AWS Migration Hub's server dependency mapping feature. Use these network graphs to see how your servers communicate, group them into applications, and identify which applications are early candidates for migration. You can also perform a deeper inspection of a server to identify the role of the server, create move groups, assign priorities, and other metadata to help create your migration plan. With a business case supplemented with the server dependency map, you can begin planning your migration to AWS and unlock significant cost savings. Request Migration Evaluator today